Hi, welcome to my Toons with Jock. Today we're going to draw an African wild dog puppy, so follow along with me. It's going to be a bit more challenging to draw it this time, but I'm sure we will manage. So let's try. The first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to draw a curvy line for the eye. So I'm going to start here at the bottom and I'm just going to draw a little curved line like that. And from here I'm going to draw an eyelash. And I'm just going to follow it around, and that's going to be the top of the eye like this. Here we go. And then I'm going to complete the eye. So I'm just going to draw a little line there. And then from there, I'm going to draw a pupil. So I'm going to draw the pupil first. There we go. And then I'm going to draw an iris for the eye as well. There we go. And then, of course, let's draw a light reflection. And let's color it in. Next we're going to draw the nose. So we're going to start with the bridge of the nose. So roughly about the height of the eyelash, I'm going to make a little mark. And I'm going to draw a little line and I'm going to take it up. Just that distance. And the tip of the nose is going to be right here. So I'm just going to make a round line like this. Just stop there, make it a little sharp corner at the bottom, take it around, and there we go, there's a nose. And then just for the nostril as well, there we go, there's a nostril, and I'll just color it in as well. Beautiful. Now it's time to draw the other eye. I'm going to draw an eyelash just there, and then I'll draw the eye, the iris. Here we go, and let's color in. There we go, and there's the pupil with the light reflection as well. Now for the mouth, I'm just going to draw a line and a little mouth there, and we're going to do the same thing here. We're just going to take it around and connect it to the nose. There's the mouth area as well. The next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to start with the ears. So the first thing is I'm going to draw a big ear, because wild dogs, they have these big ears, because they can hear very well. And I'm just going to make a mark like that, and I'm just going to draw another line, and there's an ear. And now for the inner ear, I'm just going to draw a little line there. There we go. And then from here I want to draw some hair, just like that. There we go. And then the ear can just connect there, and we leave it like that. Now the top of the head right there, and I'm going to bring it all the way, and I'm not going to really touch the eyelash. And then the other half of the head, and just going to bring it all the way around there. Perfect. Now the ear again. So first let's just draw the hair. There we go. And now let's draw the inner ear. There we go. And now for the outer ear. There we go. Also a big, nice big ear like that. And there's the other ear. So look, our wild dog puppy has big ears. And now we're going to draw the jawline. So I'm going to connect the jawline right there, and I'm going to start right here. So I'm just going to draw a little line, and I'm going to take it all the way around. Here we go, and connect it to the ear. And there's the jaw. Beautiful, and the head is finished. So now I'm going to draw the front legs. So I'm just going to start here at the bottom, and I'm going to draw a line out there. And I'm going to start here, and I'm just going to draw another line out, and I'm going to stop right there. Now for the toes. There's one toe, and now I'm just going to curl it all the way around and draw the toes. And there we go. 4 toes on our foot. Yeah, great. Now it's a bit more tricky. We're going to start with this other leg. So I'm just going to draw a line here, sort of a reference. There we go, roughly about the same height. And then we're going to draw the toes, 4 toes. Don't worry, if you make the foot too broad, don't worry about it. I'm sure it's going to look absolutely perfect. And then, there we go. And there's the leg. And there's the other leg. Perfect. Now we have to draw the neck and the back. So I'm going to draw sort of a round line. Nothing fancy, just a round line like this. And there's the back. Great. From here, I'm going to draw the feet. So I'm going to start here and I'm just going to draw the first foot at the back. Here we go. 1 toe, 2, 3, 4 toes. There's 1 foot. Now this leg will go back and you can just connect it like that. Perfect. And now for the other leg. Here we go. And we're going to draw the leg out. And of course the toes. 1, 2, 3, 4 toes. Great. And there's our WildDog puppy. Now our puppy has spots on it. So I'm just gonna draw a few lines which I can color in later. There's 1 spot. There's another spot on the head. You can make it random wherever you want. Doesn't matter. There's 1 spot. Let's see here. I'll draw another spot right there. Like so. Maybe a spot down here. Take it up. Maybe here, and maybe let's do maybe a spot here as well. Like that. Good. And 1 on the back. There we go. There's a spot. And here's another spot. Great. And here as well. And we're almost done. Here we go. Perfect. Here we go. And maybe a little mark there, something here, there, and there, and there we go. And there's our WildDog puppy. And you can look at my art on Gumroad. I have this WildDog puppy that I colored in, and I tried to make it look as realistic as possible. So go to my Gumroad website, the link is down below. You can click there and go to the site and look at my other baby animals. Thank you for drawing with me. Please don't forget to click the like button and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon.